Welcome to Student Life in Holland, where NHL Stenden introduces their foreign students to the student life in the Netherlands. In today's episode, our students will make their own traditional Dutch delicacy, cheese. First of all, we have Laura from Romania. Second, we have Shaman from Italy. Third, we have Emma from Canada. And last but not least, Daisha from Italy.
Okay, dear students, today you will get to know all about the #1 Dutch delicacy, cheese. Okay, first off, let's find out what we need to even make it. Here's your first hint. Moo.
Yum.
Okay guys, let's go.
Great.
Baby. Oh, look at your dog. Oh,
I'm sorry, baby.
it's so cute. She has such a weird dog.
Well, I will tell you how we make cheese. We start with milk. You know, the cow is milked and the milk comes into a big tank. It's stored at 3 degrees, just as at home. You have to store the milk into the refrigerator. We have a big tank, 8,000 liter in it. These are the machines who are milking the cows, yeah? He's cleaning the teeth now, just what we did by hand in the past.
Wow. Yeah, it is.
This is amazing.
Oh my god.
All right, so for the second activity. Now you know the building blocks of cheese. Time to roll up your sleeves and make one yourselves. We're gonna make cheese.
Master chef over here.
What I told you, we add the milk sour bacteria, we add the lard, and then the milk has to become thick. This is the knife, it's just like 4 knives. And now I have to make all little pieces. So I'll do this, I'll do this, I'll do this. This is what you need to make a pound. Yeah? Okay, so how are we doing that? These are the forms. The forms to make 1 pound. We also have forms to make 1 kilo, or 2 kilo, or 4, 5, 6, so whatever you want. Yeah? There must some liquid go out of these pieces. So just like a snowball. This is what I mean.
Oh my god.
It has to stick together.
Oh my god. It will be amazing.
I'm making cheese.
See, it's so squishy.
Yeah, it's soft.
So here you see the salt, water, the cheese is in.
Gotta get my cheese. So, time to read our third task for today. And now, the moment you all have been waiting for, trying several types of cheese, all freshly made. Let's see what you think about it. Which one do you like the most?
I can't wait to eat cheese.
You may taste it, you may taste all. You can start with this one. This is the youngest one. It has not so many tastes, but a lot of people love young cheese. You can taste it. This is a bit older and this is with herbs. Yeah?
Okay. I think it's cheese.
I like it. I'm curious if I'm gonna taste the difference. What is it? This is
Jersey.
oh my god. That is strongest.
Ooh,
This is not that strong.
that's quite good, but it's different. Oh, Laura's not a fan. Italian guys?
This is what we made, huh?
Yeah.
I like it. It's nice, but it's quite salty though.
It's sweet. The Italian is incredible.
Yes, I love it. I think it's my favorite.
This is really good.
The Italian?
Yeah.
So now that the day is over, what did you guys think about today with the cheese making?
Well, I liked everything actually. I didn't expect how, like, I never saw the process of making cheese, so I loved it. And in terms of rate, I would rate it like a 9 out of 10.
For me, it was an 8. I think it was interesting, all the natural process that people still stick to doing things on their own and like producing the things themselves. I think, yeah, an 8.
I really liked the experience. I give it a 10 because it was so great. We got to taste cheese. We got to make cheese. It was awesome.
No,
Petting
it was a really
cows.
fun day. And the cows were really, I love cows, my favorite animals. They were so cute.
Yeah, they're
And
so
I
cute.
didn't realize, I don't know, I never thought of how cheese was made. So it was a very educational experience.
Yep.
I would say
I agree.
9.5.
The students really liked the Dutch cheese experience, to make the cheese, but definitely also to taste it. In the next episode, the students are going to visit a Dutch village, which is known for certain Dutch traditions.
Thanks for watching, and if you have any ideas for the future videos, leave them in the comment below. Bye!